Machiegni kendo, jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale onyono piny ni ok obi loko chik e wi chwalo jotije mag UHC ne 10 kaontis. Duale mane loso e lok tich mar migawo mar thieth ndalo achiel bang' jochiw thieth go bago ng'anyo odiechieng' manyoro ka gidwaro mondo mi ndikgi e yo mongirore ka bende gidwaro mondo mi omigi omenda magi mag aheri.
The healthcare workforce in our country is the biggest investment we have. It's the greatest pillar that we cherish in the attainment of the universal health care. And I want to speak to the UHC staff, because they came here and they're telling me not to transfer the payroll to the counties. I will be the last person with my many years in parliament as a majority leader not to violate. I will not violate the laws that I participate in. If you look at the fourth schedule of the Constitution, health is devolved. It's a function of our counties. And function and resources are well documented. Resources follow function. The UHC staff have a contract with the 47 counties. They don't have a contract with the MOH. Their contract is with the 47 counties. And I don't know why somebody somewhere in the previous leadership decided to transfer the function and keep the money at the headquarters. I want to make it categorically very clear to my colleagues, to my friends, the UHC staff. We can talk about other things, but the transfer of the resources, the payroll, is not negotiable.